The Bangladesh Army is reportedly acquiring the FK-3 surface-to-air missile system, a move that has garnered significant attention. This is a significant development for Bangladesh's military modernization, marking a new era in their defense capabilities. The FK-3, known for its advanced capabilities and reliability, is expected to bolster Bangladesh's air defense network substantially. It will provide a crucial deterrent against aerial threats, enhancing the country's defensive measures. The acquisition reflects Bangladesh's commitment to strengthening its national security posture and ensuring the safety of its airspace. The FK-3 is a Chinese-made medium-range air defense system known for its versatility and effectiveness. It is designed to engage a variety of aerial targets, including fast-moving and high-altitude threats. These include aircraft, helicopters, and unmanned aerial vehicles, making it a comprehensive defense solution. This acquisition comes at a time of increasing regional security challenges, highlighting the need for advanced defense systems. Bangladesh's decision to acquire the FK-3 highlights the country's focus on modernizing its armed forces and staying ahead in defense technology. The FK-3 boasts an impressive operational range of up to 100 kilometers, making it a formidable asset in modern warfare. This extended range allows the Bangladesh Army to engage threats from a safe distance, ensuring the safety of their personnel and equipment. The system can effectively neutralize targets at altitudes of up to 27 kilometers, providing a significant advantage in high-altitude engagements. This high-altitude capability is crucial for countering modern aircraft and missiles, which often operate at these elevations. The FK-3 is equipped with advanced radar and guidance systems, ensuring precise tracking and targeting. This enables it to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously, a critical feature in complex combat scenarios. The system can reportedly engage up to 12 targets at once, showcasing its impressive multi-target engagement capability. Each target is engaged by 2 missiles, enhancing its interception probability and ensuring a higher success rate. This capability is essential for defending against saturation attacks, where multiple threats are launched simultaneously to overwhelm defenses. The FK-3 shares similarities with China's HQ-22 air defense system. Both systems are designed for medium-range air defense. They both utilize advanced radar and guidance technology. However, the FK-3 is considered a more advanced variant. It offers enhanced range, altitude coverage, and target engagement capabilities. The FK-3's longer range and higher altitude engagement provide a significant advantage. This is particularly relevant in the context of modern warfare. The FK-3's ability to engage a greater number of targets simultaneously makes it a more potent air defense system. Section 4. Strategic Implications. A boost for Bangladesh's defense. The acquisition of the FK-3 significantly enhances Bangladesh's air defense capabilities. It provides the Bangladesh Army with a credible deterrent against aerial threats. This acquisition strengthens Bangladesh's ability to defend its airspace and critical infrastructure. It reduces the country's vulnerability to airstrikes. The FK-3's advanced capabilities will bolster Bangladesh's overall defense posture. This will allow the country to safeguard its sovereignty and territorial integrity more effectively. The system's deployment will contribute to regional stability by deterring potential adversaries. Section 5. Regional Dynamics. Shifting Power in South Asia. The introduction of the FK-3 into Bangladesh's arsenal has significant implications for regional power dynamics, marking a pivotal shift in military capabilities. It signifies Bangladesh's growing military strength and its unwavering commitment to modernization and technological advancement. This acquisition could potentially alter the military balance in South Asia, creating new strategic considerations for all involved. The FK-3's deployment might prompt neighboring countries to reassess and possibly upgrade their own defense capabilities in response. This could lead to an arms race in the region as nations seek to maintain their security and strategic advantage. Bangladesh's acquisition of the FK-3 underscores the evolving security landscape in South Asia, highlighting the dynamic nature of regional defense strategies. It highlights the critical importance of advanced air defense systems in modern warfare, emphasizing the need for cutting-edge technology in national defense.